Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I have, from the thumbnail you can see, from Macy's. This is the Created for Macy's area of their website, the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. Very cute, and it just slips off, and then you have this separately. Cute, and then everything, let's see how this opens side to side, so you can see the calendar. This originally was $49. I think that's what the box says. Am I correct? Yes, it says $49. You know I didn't would never pay $49. This was $24.50 at Macy's. Once again, I will let you know if it's still available. I have no idea. I ordered these a while ago, so it's possible. This is a cute box. So, well, let's see what's in the 12-day Advent Calendar right here. And I'm just going to open the first one, and I will, let's see how this is going to go. Is this going to open nicely? I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. First product is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Professional. And this should be like their primer, right? Pore Primer. And these are going to be samples, and there might be a full size in here. I don't know. But let's open it up. It is going to be tiny. I love these little samples, and I do use them. I like Benefit Cosmetics, so that's that. Okay. And I never look to see what's going to be in these, just because. So then I'll show you number 2 is down here. I don't know if you need me to show you everyone, but I can. I need my phone to go on the floor. Let's see. Oh, these open up very nice. Let's see if I can get the products out nicely, though. I'll just use some assistance from a pair of scissors, because sometimes they're like in there. Okay, we can do that. So this is from Unite 7-Second Detangler Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, that's nice. Like that. I don't usually get knots, but it's still a leave-in conditioner, so I'm happy to have that. Ooh, exciting. That's number 2. Number 3 is over here. So if you want something like this for a gift for someone, I think these make great gifts. My mom gave both my nieces, her granddaughters, Advent calendars last year. I think they really did enjoy it. Let's see if we can get this out. And this is from Bossia. This is a chia seed moisturizer cream right here. Let's open this up. No scent. Almost looks like a balm, not a cream, but we'll see. I think I destroyed the bottom of that with the scissors. Cute. Trying not to totally trash the box. Number 4 is up here. I wish I could open these differently so you guys could see me when the product comes out, but I just, ooh, okay. How am I going to get this out? Scissors can be your friend on this kind of stuff, because you can get in there and like get them loose. I mean, they are, you know, in plastic mold to fit. Let's see if I can get you out. Okay. So this is a little sample from Too Faced. This is Better Than Sex mascara. I like having the sample, so I'm happy for that. Put you back. Number 5 is going to be down here at the bottom. I like when they have the double-sided, because then you can push them in and sort of pull up without trashing the entire box. Oh, okay. I'm not mad at this. Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. That's a good thing to have. Some skincare. Okay. Number 6 is over here at the bottom. I'm putting them back in so that I can keep track of what was where. And I do have a photo that I have to get. So I'm trying not to destroy, but sometimes that happens. Oh, okay. Nice. Urban Decay All-Nighter. This is your setting spray. Nice little sample. These can be refilled if you have a bigger one. Oh, exciting. Number 7 is up here. That might be another cream or something like that. I'm okay with. Did I get the other one last year? I'm trying to, I love getting their, I can't get that out. I love getting their calendars because they're affordable. and get you out. And this is from, oh, Strivectin. Nice. TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream. Ooh, as you age, use this when you're younger to stop that from happening, and that's pretty full pot there. I love Strivectin. I have a lot of their products. Oh, exciting. Some of these are not, these are expensive. Some of these are expensive brands. Number 8 is here. Let's see, number 8. Oh, okay, not a bad brand either. They sell this brand at Macy's. Excuse me. This is Elizabeth Arden Advanced Ceramide Lift and Firm Eye Cream. I'm always up to try something that I have not. I don't think I have tried that. Number 9 is over here. Looks like it says bonus product there too. That could be a gift card. They've done that in the past. Oh, okay. This is a hand cream, so this one might be okay. Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Usually I share these with family members. They do like these. I'm not a huge fan of a thick cream, and that's a thick cream. That's 9. Where's number 10? Number 10 is up here. Let's see what you are. Oh, okay. Now, I did get this advent calendar last year from Caudalie, and this is Vino Perfect, and this is a radiance serum. I think I did get this in the Caudalie calendar right there. That's nice. Remember, I did like that. 10. Where's 11? So 11 is here. Let's see what else we got. I'm not unhappy with this at all. Oh my goodness. From Tarte, this is the Maracuja Lip Oil, and this is in strawberry. I don't have this one. It's strawberry. Ooh, I'm excited. Even though it's smaller, but this would be, I have so many of these. I have quite a few, and is that probably a true? Yeah, that's pretty. Ooh. They smell so nice too. They smell like vanilla, but oh, I'm happy for that. Oh, exciting. Awesome. Number 11. And then you'll see 12 is here with the bonus, so I won't hold this up again. Let's just see number 12. Oh my goodness. How am I going to get that out? Okay, I'll just run. How sweet is that? We have a bottle of perfume. I mean, you can see there's this whole bottom part is no perfume. It's just the bottle. And this is by who? I'm going to have to look at the back. Oh, maybe that's from. Oh, they don't have a list on the back. They usually have a list. Is it on the back of this? Yeah, on the back it gives you what is what. Let me see if I can find it. That's from Lancôme, and that's La Vie est Belle Eau de Parfum. Parfum, I should say. Well, that's nice to have a perfume. I love these little bottles. I do keep them out right there. And it has a little bow on it. That's adorable. Just this top come off easily. And that smells pretty. I love these little stopper tops. And you just put a tiny little bit, like on behind your ears, on your wrists. Cute. I love that. Perfume. So let's just see what the bonus is. And it is a gift card. $10 off your next $40 excuse me, beauty purchase. And this is good from 11/15/2022 to 2/15/2023. So I can save $10 on 40 that I purchase for beauty, which is not bad at all. And it's still valid. I know the one year the gift, that little gift card was not valid anymore, and I'm like, okay, how's that help anybody? So tell me what you thought. I think this was a great advent calendar. 12 days, very affordable, you know, under $25. So if you need a gift for someone, this would be a great gift to give to them at the holiday, and they can open it all at once, just like I did. Let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I would never pay $49 for it. $130 value, according to their sticker. I paid $24. Is that what I said? I cannot remember what I tell you. Is that horrible? Horrible YouTuber. Where are you? Right here. So that 12-day calendar, $24.50. So under $25, you get a nice little gift for someone. And, you know, this would be a great gift for a teacher. If you know, somebody special that would love something like this. And like I said, my nieces got advent calendars, I think 25-day advent calendars from my mom last year, and they loved them. Opening everything up and then being able to try all, and it was all makeup and skincare, so they were able to try everything. So like I said, great gift to yourself. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.